What's your name? Can you say your name to me? No, you can't? Oh man, okay. What would you like to say to the people watching? Okay, Leo. Don't you want to thank your fans? Okay, never mind. Bye.